This is a video to demonstrate how to use a sizing grid to measure the rise and projection of a Bike Friday stem, in this case a fitting stem, although this can be used for really any of the stems that Bike Friday makes. Start by removing the bolt or quick release that anchors the stem to the frame. Not the bolt that adjusts the height in the case of a fitting or adjustable stem, but the bolt that anchors it to the frame. On the grid, you will notice an outline of a couple of stems. Notice down this direction there is an outline of the clamp system. Line up the bolt hole with the outline of that on the grid, and then align the stem so that it is parallel with the black lines on the grid. Holding this steady, you then peer down through the center of the handlebar clamp and note where it sits on the projection as measured in centimeters and on the rise as measured in inches. In this case, the center of the stem is right here, so slightly over 10 centimeters, roughly 102 millimeters, and slightly over 15 and a half, about 15 5/8 inches to this point, the center of the handlebar clamp. For guidance, there are outlines of a couple of different stems faintly in the background and instructions that describe that process in the upper right of the grid. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call.